Jesus.
Best if you don't wash them.
It's going to be toxic.
You trying to sweat?
Eh?
No, my best ones then.
Then we look like a fucking fat pikey.
I'm glad we've told her together.
That's wrong.
It's not too late, people don't we go so much.
I might.
You won't, because we're going to burn them.
They did go pretty threadbare pretty quick.
So
they
why do you
weren't like
keep
that
wearing
when
them then if you knew?
Yeah, they've all worn away. Look, there's no fabric in them.
Here we go.
No.
Here you go, big.
Rest in peace. I'll miss you. I'll miss you
I'm
dearly.
going to put them on YouTube. So Deborah pissed us off. So we burnt her.
My fat bird clothes.
No more fat bird clothes, Deborah. Stop melting.
God.
It's nylon, isn't it?
No, we better not burn the others.
Yeah, I'll take them home.
No, you won't. There's a bin there.
Adrian, give me them
Quick,
back. I'll
Adrian.
take them
Make
home.
shorts out of them.
Bury them quick in the bottom of the refuse bin.
Next time Deborah walks past us, she'll get sandwiched by Green.
Yeah.
Scent, get her. Get her.
To go on, huh?
Well, that's nice and warm now. We might end up with fire brigade.
Just a small fire.